Where's lace? Where is the lace? Where is the lace? No filter on this video. Where is the lace? What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we are back with Pizazz hair, and y'all, I thought the first wig was fire. Y'all, this wig right here is everything, baby. When I tell y'all, I took my time with this wig, y'all. When I told y'all I put my all into this wig, y'all, I put my all into this wig. Because, honey, the way the knots bleached off rip, first of all, when I first received the hair, this is how it looked. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. This is how the knots look. And the lace, like how the lace was just plucked. I was like, oh, I'm about to eat this wig up. And that's exactly what I did, y'all. Do y'all see this melt? All right, let's get into the melt. I'm using a new glue, right? Shout out to Wig Dealer for sending me a bag of goodies. I got the lace glue, y'all. I got the touch-up gel, y'all. They sent me a wig brush. I got the melting spray. This melting spray right here, y'all, was the icing on top. Or should I say cherry on top? Because, y'all, this spray right here, y'all, was the cherry on top. When I tell y'all it locked this lace in, y'all. And then they give me a little scissors and the razor, but y'all, Wig Dealer glue, I'm not using nobody else's glue no more. Because Wig Dealer, with this Pizazz lace, when I tell y'all it is melted, honey, listen, the lace speaks for itself. When I tell y'all it locked this lace in, y'all. And then they give me a little scissors and the razor, but y'all, Wig Dealer glue, I'm not using nobody else's glue no more. Because Wig Dealer, with this Pizazz lace, when I tell y'all it is melted, honey, listen, the lace speaks for itself. Where's lace? Where is the lace? Where is the lace? No filter on this video. Where is the lace? Nah, yeah. And then I went ahead and I crimped. I think I need a new crimp iron. I don't know. But I went ahead and I took my time once again and crimped my hair. It literally took like almost 2 hours to crimp this whole hair because, baby, this wig is thick. This wig is 24 inches and 220 density, y'all. And you can feel it and you can see it. Like, this hair is real thick, y'all. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Pizazz hair for sending me a bomb wig, y'all. The knots on this lace is just... where? Like, where is it? Where is the knots? Like, y'all, this wig is everything. Shout out to Pizazz hair and shout out to Wig Dealer for putting me onto this new glue because, baby, what? This is a different type of hold I ain't never felt before when I put my lace down. And I already knew this Insta was about to eat. And it did, honey. Listen, when I tell y'all I'm up in my game, yeah, I'm getting better, y'all. I'm getting better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The same exact wig is going to be down below. The website is going to be down below if you don't want this specific wig. But y'all, they got plenty of other wigs. The hair company is fire. So far, so good. I ain't got nothing bad to say about Pizazz hair. Even the wig I got from before, it's still in good hands, y'all. So if you're interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead to Pizazz and get you a wig, y'all. Run and get you a wig right now. Right now. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.